What is up, my crypto legends? Hope you're doing fantastic day. Let's analyze the situation here all together. How's everyone doing? Hope you're doing absolutely fantastic, guys. Let's just jump in straight into the Bitcoin chart. Of course, we're going to take a look at the stock market. Hello, everyone. How is everybody doing? Hope you're doing fantastic, guys. Really do. Nice to see everyone here in the comment section already commenting. Let me just quickly go through the comment section, guys, before we dive into Bitcoin to see what has happened in between yesterday and today and what could potentially happen in the next coming hours and days. Of course, that's what we want to know about Bitcoin. Then we can analyze the stock market, see where we're currently at, and of course, take a look at some altcoins to see, what potential scenarios could happen. I want to let you know that I'm in no trades at all. I closed my shorts on Bitcoin, also on Aptos. Zero trades, guys, at the moment for me. So we're going to analyze to see, what are the next trading scenarios that I can find here for you also, right? No financial advice. Let's take a look here at the comment section. Hey, Andy, hope you're doing very well. Thank you very much, Dutch BTC fan. Smash the like button on your way in. Yes, yes, yes. Hi, Lameth Witch, how are you doing? Let's go, Ali. MT, can't wait for the live stream. Andy, been sick as hell myself. Hope you are getting better. Thankful that you spend the time doing this. I learned so much from you. Thank you very much, MT. Hulk smash the like. Absolutely. Yes, thank you very much. Yeah, I mean, this is the thing. I'm home anyway, so I'm getting much better. Definitely much better. Just a bit of mucus there. But yeah, I'm good. Energy is good, as you can see. And ready to crush it, guys. Ready to crush it. Analyze those situations. I need to go, guys. I mean, I'm going to go quickly through the comment section because there's only a few comments right now. Andy, from yesterday's trade, I stopped out at break even. I again in long at 22,820. 20% profit. Book and position is protected. Hey, absolutely phenomenal, Aditya. That is the way to go. Book profits and protect positions. Let's go. Legend says Market M. How are you doing? Thanks for joining. Boot Andy. Hello, Andy from sunny Suffolk, UK. No, I don't think so. How are you doing? Better bot. Dippin. Valentino. Morning, Andy. 2 gaps still need to be filled on DXY. We're going up, in my opinion. Yes, very, very possible. Very possible. Hamza. Hello. Petar, Ox the Doctor, hello, HNO, how are you doing? Hi, Andy. AI is going crazy. Absolutely, artificial intelligent cryptos are absolutely exploding, guys. What's going on? It's absolutely crazy. We can see fetch.ai. This one has been going crazy for the last few weeks. Up today, 22%. Artificial liquid intelligence up 28% also today, the last 24 hours. If we take a look at the 30-day chart, they're all absolutely skyrocketing for the last week, guys. It's looking very crazy. Ori Chain, this one's gone absolutely bonkers as well. This one's gone crazy as well. We can see the 90-day chart absolutely skyrocketing the entire month of January in a very, very steady uptrend. Now it's just it's getting a bit silly, right? It's getting in a bubble territory, guys. I didn't invest in any AI cryptos, guys. Hopefully you did, and it was pretty clear that there was going to be a bubble about this. There was going to be the cryptos from AI were actually going to trend up since we saw ChatGPT and different things. Everybody's doing these artificial intelligent pictures, right? Look at my avatar, look at this, look at that, and you think to yourself, okay, if there is cryptos based on AI, they will likely have an uptrend, right? They will have a bubble. So yeah, hopefully I know a lot of people must have got in and made some pretty nice gains on this. I didn't. I'm just focusing on trading, of course, so I'm not doing much research on these projects. But look at this one. This one's gone absolutely crazy. Back in December, was trading about $1.50, $1.70, and it's currently trading at $11.20. So this one's done an easy 10x here in just over a month, which is absolutely phenomenal. Should have put 10k on that. But yeah, anyway, it is what it is. It is what it is. This is the thing. We've got a little bit of a bubble going on right now with AI. So stay very, very cautious with what you invest in, guys, because this could obviously drop 80% in the next coming months. I mean, I just want you to be very, very cautious. Clintex was one that we were talking about here on the live streams just, I don't know, it must have been about 2 weeks ago from now. And this was trading at about 1.5, 1.6 cents since we talked about it. If we do take a look at the chart here, the last 30 days, I talked about this crypto. It must have been, yeah, somewhere around over here. I remember getting this movement to the upside mid-January, and then it went down to 1.4 cents, then back up here again, kind of a double top scenario. We talked about this one somewhere the last week of January about Clintex, where it was around about 1.6, 1.7 cents. I can't remember exact what day, but this one's just absolutely skyrocketed since we talked about it. I actually didn't invest in this, you know, but the reason why we talked about this one was because of the market capitalization, and it seems that this, you know, decent project, you know, it's all about pharmaceuticals and artificial intelligence. So this one's $4.6 million in market cap. This one's still an absolute baby. I think if people start, you know, I mean, this is only my speculation, of course. You know, imagine all of these people looking at low cap gems, you know, that the market capitalization could go easily to 50 million, right? 50 million is still really low. So this one's 4.6 in market cap. It has gone up, obviously. It was round about 1.6 or something like that in just about a few weeks ago when we talked about it. So it's obviously done a 3x since we talked about it. Is there more room to grow on this one? If we take a look at the, you know, overall market, this all-time high was just slightly below 30 cents, around about 28 cents of all-time high. So it's still, you know, it's about 5x from all-time high. Can it double? Can it triple from here? I mean, that is the question, guys. That is the question. I'll be focusing more on Bitcoin and stock market than the AI cryptos because, you know, I mean, getting in late into these could absolutely destroy you. It would have been nice to get in here just about 2 weeks ago. Anyway, let me know your favorite AI crypto that hasn't exploded yet. I mean, I think most of them are up, you know, at least 100 or 200% the last week. Let me know, guys, in the comment section. Hello, and then we'll go through Bitcoin, guys. We're here for the TA. It's good to take a look at projects. AI right now is the hot topic in crypto. Is Algo getting overheated? What is going with Algorand? Is Algorand getting a bit of pumpy action? 27 cents currently. It's pretty steady. Uptrend is pretty steady, so it's not. It doesn't look overheated. Really nice uptrend. These are the uptrends that are pretty sustainable. The ones that are not sustainable are the ones that go like this. This one looks pretty solid. If Michael Saylor sells BTC, it's going to zero. I think he's got about 100,000, just over 100,000 Bitcoin. It won't go to zero, but it definitely get a big, massive hit. Thanks for sharing your wisdom, says Redza. You absolutely welcome. Thank you for joining the live stream. Hello, Andy. Did you bought CTI? I did not. I did not. CTI, is this Clintex? I did not. It probably Naveen must have talked about it potentially. I did not buy it. Someone did talk about this one on the live stream, and then we talked about it, you know, a couple of days. I think it was around about mid-January at this stage, and then it's just, you know, the last 2 weeks it's just gone absolutely bananas. Done over a 3x. BTC at 9,500 in June, says Max. I'm not too sure about that. Not too sure. Can we check some AI with potentials? Like FIS? What is FIS? Let's take a look at this. Yeah, we're here for the technical analysis, guys. We're here to make some gains trading as well, right? Staffy, is this an artificial intelligence crypto? Oh my god, Staffy's gone up 78% today. Absolutely crazy. I remember this one back in the days. Staffy, I remember this one. Gone absolutely crazy. Yeah, there's a bit of a bubble going on right now. Oh, this one just did a 2x in the last 24 hours, basically. Agix. Which one's Agix? Oh, Singularity. This one's gone up quite a bit. Market cap is pretty high at the moment. Let's go through. What's your thoughts on Aptos currently, Andy? Well, we'll take a look at some altcoins. Cookie says I did. He bought Clintex. Right. Deep Brain Chain. I think this one rings a bell. Deep brain chain. Deep blue sea. No, deep brain chain. Can't see this one here on CoinGecko. Yeah, deep brain chain. There it is. 625, up 27% today. 29 million market capitalization, still a baby. I mean, this one hardly got up here on the cycle of, you know, 2020, 2021. This one hardly went up in the bull cycle. It did have a massive hype here back in 2018, like the rest of the cryptos on the other cycle, going up to over 60 cents. It's currently trading at less than 1 cent. It's 60x away from its all-time high. I mean, it's gone absolutely bananas, this one as well, the last couple of weeks. So yeah, just stay cautious, guys. It's going a little bit parabolic. Could it continue? Yeah, absolutely yes, but it's getting out of hand right now. I mean, Clintex doesn't look that bad. It hasn't gone that parabolic, and it's a baby in market capitalization. It really is. I mean, it has actually gone a bit parabolic the last week, but this one is just such a small market capitalization that I do think it could probably 10x from its price. But anyway, nobody really knows. Right, let's take a look. We're going to do some technical analysis here, guys. This is why we're here. BTC to Mars, says Kuya. Yeah. Big data protocol. Oh, yeah. This was also one that I did check. Big data protocol. This one's a very, very low cap coin. Big data protocol. Yeah, this one's gone up already. Wow, this one's skyrocketed. I mean, would you buy here? I mean, this one was trading at 3 cents just about a week ago, guys. 2 weeks ago, 3 cents. It's currently at 40 cents. Oh my goodness, this one's done a 10x in less than 2 weeks. Guys, in less than 2 weeks, this has done a 10x. Oh my goodness. 1st of February, it was trading at 3 cents. It's currently trading at 44 cents. Wow, big data protocol. Yeah, this one's gone absolutely insane. And it's still relatively small in market capitalization, right? It's like fully diluted is 32 million. This one's still very, very small. It was all-time high here says it's $6.79. Woo! Imagine it going to $6.79. I mean, it's not that much right now. It's only about a 15x from where it is. Stay cautious. Andy, please TA on BTC. Yes, that's true. Everybody's here for the technical analysis, not for looking at altcoins. We're trying to make gains here with technical analysis, but AI is absolutely exploding, guys. Try and figure out which one is the one that hasn't pumped yet. I think most of them have pumped. Anyone that has to do with AI, the most of them have pumped significantly already. So let me just quickly go through here. I've gone through the comment section. Joseph, Paktoshi, thank you very much for joining the live stream, guys. You're absolutely insane. Make sure to destroy the like button, guys. And I just want to go through a trade scenario that we talked on yesterday's live stream. It played out, guys. It played out. So I need to go through. We talked about 2-3 scenarios. What could happen? One of them played out, giving you the exact entry and exit point, and it happened, guys. It happened. Let me just quickly go here, zoom in, and mark those levels, mark this range over here. Okay, get a horizontal box or whatever right at this level. It was a very, very difficult one. Okay, this is looking at the 15-minute chart. We can zoom in on the 5-minute. It was a difficult trade scenario, but it happened. It happened, guys. I'm gonna just show you this chart over here from yesterday's live stream, and we're going to talk about that trade scenario that was mentioned on yesterday's live stream, that scalp scenario. So pay attention here to what was talked about yesterday, guys, because I know a lot of people leave the live stream because it gets boring. I talk too much. I go through comment section. I don't go straight to the point. But this is what happens with live streams. But, you know, this was at minute 41 on the live stream, looking for that scalp scenario yesterday. that's going to give me a very high probability trade scenario. We have consolidations here that has left us the point of control from this volume traded range in between yesterday and today. If we do get above this range that has been proven to be resistance, it will be support. You've got a nice trade scenario there to bounce and test the highs, or almost test the highs here from. So we got that scenario from yesterday. As you can see, you have that breakout from this zone of 22.9k and a movement down to test that 22.9k range, which is the highs here, and get the bounce to test or almost test the highs where you would have to take profits at that range. If we zoom in here on that price action, this is the exact movement that was mentioned yesterday, right from that live stream. This is your entry point right over there. It's a quick scalp scenario, day trade, okay? As you can see right over here, breaking out from these highs, from this major zone with relatively nice-ish volume. It wasn't extreme high, but it was enough, breaking out from this zone, getting that bounce to test or almost test the highs right over here. As you can see on the chart, this was basically what happened from that scenario that was mentioned on yesterday's live stream, guys. So only just for that, you need to absolutely destroy the like button, guys, because we are talking about possibility scenarios. If they do happen, if we do break out from a zone where we could bounce, where we can take profit. So smash up the like button, guys, just because of that. That was the technical move. That was the trade provided from yesterday. I think as soon as I ended the live stream, we started pumping not long after the live stream. So that pump, that trade scenario happened yesterday. Let's go through what could happen to Bitcoin now, today, in the next coming hours. I just want to zoom out a little bit on the chart. We want to pay attention to see where we're at, okay? I mean, there is a possibility that we are still trending up, guys. Still trending up. Like I mentioned, this is still the last higher low. We are wicking below this range, not doing much. It kind of wants to move down. Could this be a diamond bottom pattern? And it doesn't look absolutely great, okay? I gotta say, it does not look great. Can it be a diamond bottom pattern? And it doesn't look great. I'll have to take a look here at another chart, because on other charts it does look a bit better. It does look better on other charts. But yeah, can it be a diamond bottom pattern where we are going to get that movement up? Possibly yes. It could happen. Obviously, this is not a trading pattern. We cannot trade based on this. This would just be pure speculation. If you're not entering along at this level thinking that we are going to go up, we are going to go a little bit more technical. But there is a possibility, as it's still creating a higher low, guys. We need to know that we're still trending up here. No matter how bearish this ascending broadening wedge looks, and it looks like we're going to break down, we need to, focus on, the possibility in getting a bounce here is there, okay? So let's just go quickly through Bitcoin. We're going to focus on that pure technical analysis, looking for that day trade, that scalp scenario, just like the one from yesterday, right? Just like the one from yesterday, where we're looking for that potential opportunity to just jump in and jump out from that trade. Basically jump in, make some gains, and jump out almost when you're testing the highs, the 618. Nice quick little scalping day trade scenarios. And that is it. Basically, you make gains here, you shut your computer and said, hey, I've had a good day today, I made some gains trading. Well, that's it. So what I want to take a look at now is, where can we find our next major trading scenario? And this is what we're going to do. So let's take a look here. Diamond patterns are bearish 70% of the time. Well, it depends if it's a diamond top or a diamond bottom, right? Diamond bottom is usually bullish. Diamond top is usually bearish, right? Powell, 12 p.m. Washington. Anyone in the market right now longing got some peanuts on AM? Right, let's take a look at the news events, guys, because, yeah, it is true. I did not take a look at what could potentially happen today. Yeah, that is about 2 hours from now, okay? In about 2 hours from now, we do have the Federal Reserve Chairman Powell speaking. It's about 2 hours from now. So we want to be aware. I think there's not going to be a huge amount of volatility. I think everything's kind of priced in from whatever this guy says on the speech. I think most of it, it's basically priced in. I don't think there will be much volatility. There might be some. I mean, if there's anything new that he's going to talk about. But anyway, let's zoom in here on the Bitcoin chart, do some technical analysis to find that trade that can make the gains for today. And I'm going to be very, very, very selective on what potential trade has high probability, guys. Inverse head and shoulder, says Kuya. Inverse head and shoulder on the lower time frames here. Oof. Not the best looking one. Yeah. Not for me. I'm not buying this inverse head and shoulder. I'm not buying it. Right, this is the kind of scenario you're looking at here. No. Ooh, price is dropping at the moment. Question is, right now, will we get the bounce? Oh, getting a swing failure from this low. Let's take a look here at some potential opportunities. Oh, point of control right there. Point of control could get an immediate bounce from this level. From this level right there. Let's take a look at VWAP. Broken the VWAP. Value area low. That is what I'm going to take a look at here. Interesting thing is, I think what's DXY doing? DXY still pumping. I just want to take a look at DXY here. I mean, there's not an immediate correlation here on the DXY, but we are hitting a big level of resistance, right? So far, DXY is doing what we talked about the last few weeks, guys. We did hold the 101, 102, and finally getting the bounce here pretty aggressively. There's a large consolidation here on the DXY, which I do think that we should be facing some kind of resistance, no doubt in my mind. Point of control, value area low from this zone. Some kind of pullback is possible. What is the ES doing? ES getting a little bit of a drop. Could definitely swing failure from this low. It's a possibility. Double bottom. It's a possibility. Let's see if we do get the movement down here and consolidate above the range. If Bitcoin does get to the value area low, I would consider a long position. 50%, 618. I mean, the bounce is happening right now at this moment. It's a bouncing level. Oh, I mean, this is absolutely beautiful for a reversal, no doubt. I would wait. Yeah, I mean, this range is a bouncing level. Let's see if we do get a leg down. I would consider entering a long position here. At least to test a 618 from this drop. So let's see if we do get that leg down. I mean, the structure of this is absolutely phenomenal, right? This is a really nice range where you can take advantage of those opportunities, right? This is going to get squeezed in with lower lows and higher lows right there. So if we do get a leg down here, I would expect a bounce. I'm not sure. We're not going to go this low, in my opinion. Let me just get this out of the way. Looking for my next scalp day trade, guys. Next scalp day trade. I mean, it looks like that we're getting no. It would be nice to get one more leg down here, and I would consider. I mean, that point of control is acting very, very strong from the range. Yeah, anywhere at this range over here at 22.8, which would be the 618, the value area low, we could get a relatively nice bounce from that range. Yeah, let's see if we do get that leg down here, because I mean, it ain't looking bad. This consolidation ain't looking bad for a bounce, for a larger bounce here. Yeah, let's just checking out here, guys. Sorry if I keep silent a minute. I'm just analyzing the situation to see. I mean, we didn't even hit the low here, so it would be nice to hit the low. Just about. That value area low is likely to be hit. And if it does, I would consider getting into a long position. Point of control, value area low, have that consolidation at the 618 from this pivot low, pivot high, and then get that bounce, right? So we're looking for that. Right, that movement up. You might wick down here slightly. And this is what we're going to pay attention here. Overall, we're looking to follow this structure over here, at least for the next coming hours. Yeah, let's see. That is the plan. Let me check here 1 second the volume, because you know we might be having a nice shorting opportunity as well. Why not? Down to that value area, potential value area low. Double check here 1 second. Yeah, I mean, there's just a large range. We haven't broken any kind of big major support, so it's just we're still in a massive range here. Don't forget the speech, guys. Volatility could happen soon. Yes, very true. We got the speech in about 2 hours from now, so it could bring a little bit of volatility. If you are doing any trading, make sure to protect your positions, guys. Make sure to play defensive trading. James Carter bouncing off the 786 from 24 to 22.5, says James Calder. Let's take a look at this. So from 24.2 to 22. From 24.2 to 22.5. Okay, so from 22.5, which is this one right there, to here. Yeah, okay. Andy, can you say something about using the trend lines on patterns on 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hourly, and full body candles or wicks. I usually count the wicks. As you can see here. For me, with my, I've had best experience by counting the wicks always on trend lines. Okay, lower highs and higher lows. Always use the wicks as well. Bodies on the candles, maybe on really high time frames where you do see a lot of closes and opens at a range. So on the daily here, you can see, the wicks right there. I mean, they are getting pretty well respected, kind of right there. And I mean, the body, the closes and opens are around about the same level, right? So you can see here the wicks as a potential high where you could get rejected, and the body of the candle trend line right there for a potential close, right? So getting above that range and a potential daily close below it. But I usually use the wicks, of course, much. Yeah, wicks always on 15 minute, 4 hourly, all time frames. CME previously weekly open, not sure which week UT have it marked up. Great stuff, Andy. I learn more from you every day, says Father Time. Thank you very much, my man. Double bottom on the 15-minute chart. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart here. Double bottom on the 15-minute chart. Is this the double bottom you're talking about? I don't see any other double bottom. This is not really a great double bottom, but yeah, overall it's possible. Just like the kind of diamond pattern that is forming right over here, right, which is very, very possible as well. It's not the best looking one. I've seen much better, but obviously we need to remember that we're still trending up, guys. So I mean, the possibility of getting an epic bounce from this 22.6 range is just very, very possible, as we are still trending up. No matter how exhaustive this does look, we need to understand that possible pump could happen. So as we are still in an uptrend, yes, I know it's looking a very exhaustive. But anyway, I'm focusing more, when I cannot see a clear move, because right now it does look like that reversal is going to come, guys. It does look like at some point we are going to break down, we like it or not. It just looks, by looking at this price action, it needs to happen soon. So, but we are also trending up. So if you're in doubt for that swing trade, what kind of swing trade would you do here? Would you long, knowing that we are going to claim 24.2? Or would you swing trade short? I mean, you're in a risk also here of the price getting very much against you. So if I'm in doubt in the higher time frames for that potential reversal, I zoom into the extreme lower time frames, 5 minute, looking for those scalping scenarios, just like the scalp from yesterday. Because, on yesterday we were in doubt of what could potentially happen. That scenario played out here, absolutely phenomenal, guys, as you can see here on the chart. Looking for that breakout, bounce from this 22.9k range, come back up to that 23k, almost testing the highs. Even talking about almost testing the highs, knowing that this is what usually happens, guys. Look at this. I mean, look at this right there. I was saying, not even almost testing the highs, meaning that once you get close to the highs, 61878, you want to take those profits. We do not know if you're going to break it or you're going to create a lower high, but that bounce was kind of imminent, right? You got a high probability bounce at that 22.9. You can see it right there. Bang, get that bounce. You break out from the range. When we were trading at this zone yesterday on the live stream, we break out, we're bouncing, and we almost testing the highs. There it is. So these are the high probability trade scenarios. Sometimes I'm going to be thinking, today I don't see a major high probability trade. We just range trading in a massive range. So you know the deal. No trade is a good trade as well if you're in doubt. I like to get into those sweet nice high probability trade scenarios where I know I have a very, very, very high probability. Just like this one right over here. Bang, that is a high probability trade. And after just a few hours of the live stream, it happened. Bang, bang. You got some gains there. Easy money, that's what I call. But of course, till now, right now where we're at, it's just we're still inside the range. We're still inside the... We've just created such a big range already that it's like, ugh. This is when you need to start getting, where is the highest volume node here? We're getting that bounce from the volume profile. That's fine. Okay. There's, potential bounce there. Talked about here. This high over here was not a bad short. Right there. This zone here is not a bad short. And one of the main reasons why is because of the price action. When you create this high, this low over here, that diamond formation, that diamond kind of formation right there, the lower high here is very, 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 very possible. That's why I was talking about here, the possibility in a higher low. If we were to drop down to 22.8, 22.7, it's a level I would consider to get into a long. To finally form this symmetrical triangle. Of course, I would be very, 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 very strict with my take profit and stop loss. I would go from 618 to 618 here. So yeah, guys, not much I could say. I do see this. If it has a movement down, I do see a bounce. That is what I can see here on Bitcoin at the moment. Is it an extreme high probability trade scenario? Well, it is the value area low range. You could dip below it, get acceptance above it, and then get the bounce. Let me just go here a second. Yeah, I mean, we're probably going to get a rejection. We're just testing the VWAP right now. I mean, that would be an extreme scalp scenario. Oof, getting slightly above to the 1 minute. Let's take a look. Value area low for Ethereum. Let's take a look at Ethereum here for George Coleman. Why not? Ooh. I mean, DXY is at a big level. Value area low, guys, from this massive trading zone that we had in December and, entire month of December, basically. Big trading range right now is where we are hitting on the DXY. We could get a slight pullback from this range. We're at resistance. Let me just turn this, guys, a moment, because I'm doing my analysis here while I'm doing the live stream, okay? Sorry about that, but anyway, this is another way how you can learn about the levels, right? Doing it live is the best thing. Stop loss hunt to the upside, maybe. I mean, like I said, the possibility here, I would prefer longing, guys, right now, knowing that the DXY is at a resistance zone and could get rejected in the coming hours. It will help